Hey my pretties, welcome back to my channel. So today I am super excited. I've been waiting for this to come. I talked to you guys about this in, was it my favorites video? I think it was my favorites video, where I talked about how one of my favorite fragrances at this moment, or probably for a long time, is from Lush, you know, the Lush store. They have created a line of perfumes and body sprays, and I was super excited to see that they had put out a Yogg body spray. So I went ahead and I ordered me one, and I've been patiently anticipating this package to show up. So I'm gonna get this open, and I want to smell this, because I'm like, I hope it smells exactly like the shower body wash and the skin moisturizer. Okay, give me a minute, because it has a bunch of peanuts in it and I don't feel like making a mess with this. So let me pour these out. Okay, so here's the bottle, and before I haven't even sprayed it yet, and I can already smell it through the container, and I'm super excited. But before I forget, you guys, I do have, I'm not going to show the front because it has my address on it. I do have this package from Too Faced, and it's their mystery package. If you've been following me for the past couple years, usually right after Black Friday, Too Faced will put up their mystery bags, to where you don't know what's in it, but you get this package, and it, I think, what is it? I think, is it like $120 worth of stuff, but you pay $42. So I paid $42 for this box to get over $100 in product. Too Faced and MAC are two of my favorite beauty brands. I mean, I like a lot of brands, but Too Faced and MAC was like my first loves. So before I get into that box, let's spray this because I am like ready to know if this is what I think it is. Hand blended with fine essential oils, spritz all over body for a lingering perfume, or apply throughout the day for a fragrant top up. So I imagine after I take a shower with my Yogg, I spray this on, and it'll just last through the day. Oh, God, it smells so good. Okay, I don't know how it's gonna spray out. Ooh, it came out like a really light mist, so that's good. Oh my goodness, Lush, what have you done? Oh my gosh. Oh, it smells so good. I'm sorry, you guys. It smells so yummy. Satisfy, and I always tell you guys what it says. It says satisfy sweet and spicy cravings, and it is definitely a sweet and spicy, it has that bite to it. Spicy fragrance. It says with this butterscotch scented fragrance, peppered with hints of clove bud oil. Oh, I'm so happy with this. Oh my gosh. This, and it's 6.7 fluid ounces. How much did I pay for this? Ooh, was it like $32? Something like that. I'm gonna pair this with I don't know, one of my fragrances. I'm gonna mess around with this and put on my fragrance, and then I'm gonna top it off with this. Hopefully I picked the right one so it can like blend and it'll like last all day, even though my perfumes last all day. But ooh, I might wear this alone, but I'm gonna try it with one of my perfumes to kind of, like I said, top it off. So I'm gonna try that, and I will definitely be ordering another one of these. Definitely will be ordering another one. Okay, so oh, I'm so happy with that. Okay, so I'm going to get this mystery box open. Okay, so you're so Too Faced. Love you, boo. That's what it says on the inside. It has all the pink paper. Let's see what it is. So every year I get one of these, and I'm usually very happy. I think it was last year I ended up getting a palette that I had already had. So what did I do? I think I just sold the palette in my Poshmark closet because I didn't need to. Okay, so that was just the receipt. Okay, and then they gave me a card 20% off my next purchase right there. And ooh, okay, trying not to get this pink stuff everywhere. Oh, this is okay. I'm gonna say so far I like this box. Let me move this. Ooh. Okay, so before we get into the bag, this is what I see. And I believe this is, yeah, this is like wrapping paper. So they send you a separate wrapping paper, and this is like a ribbon that you can use to tie up a gift, and it's all in Too Faced and has their name on it and everything with the lips. Okay, so what I was gonna say is I like this year's bag. Usually the products come in a little paper bag. My phone always rings. Hold on. Okay, so back to the bag. Now, what I was saying was every year they usually put the stuff inside of like a pink paper-like bag that says Too Faced on it. But this year you get this really cute bag. Look at this, and it's nice and thick, and it has the, are those squirrels? Cute little squirrels on it with the gold acorns. I am loving this. It has a little gold charm with the black bow on it. And yeah, so I don't know if this is considered one of the items or if everything in, oh no, they put some nice stuff in here. Okay, so let's see. I'm just gonna grab it out. So they put a melted matte, liquid matte long wear lipstick in here. Queen Bee, okay. And this is what the packaging looked like. You guys all know what this looks like. Melted matte, Queen Bee. I am hoping that, okay, this kind of looks like one of the colors that I already have. Looks like that. I think it is a color. Do I have, I don't have Queen Bee. This one is more like a matte, like a pinkish purple type of a color right there. The one that I have is kind of like that chocolate brown, that chocolate color. I don't think I have it right here. Let me see. No, I think it's in my collection in my other stuff, with my other stuff. But yeah, no, I like that color, but this is more like the purple, like the packaging, but it's just like that matte color. So I'm happy with that. Let's see, the next thing is the chocolate gold gilded bronzer made with 100% natural cocoa powder and real gold, and this is in the color Luminous. And remember I said this package was $42. So I don't normally use bronzers. I love this packaging now. Look at that. It's like a mirror, and then the sides look like that. Really pretty, and it has a little heart closure right here. And this is what it looks like. Can you see that? That is that. I am not going to swatch this because I don't normally use bronzers, so honestly this may just end up inside of my Poshmark closet. I'm not too sure, unless I give it to one of my close friends or something like that. But so far I can't close it. So far I'm happy. So that's 2 items. I do believe the bag is the 5th item, because usually it comes with 5 items. So that was 2. This is 3. You have the Better Than Sex mascara, which is one of my favorite mascaras. I love this one, so I'm happy to get that. And the last thing, which you always can expect, a palette. The chocolate bar palette. I do not have the chocolate bar palette. My favorite one is the chocolate gold, which I've talked about many a times in the past. I love the chocolate gold palette. That is one of my go-to palettes whenever I'm wearing makeup. This is the chocolate bar palette right here, and it does smell like chocolate. And this is the colors. Really pretty. It just wasn't one that I felt like I wanted to purchase. Lots of browns, which I do like. Most of these colors I would definitely use like in my crease or just to wear regularly. So I don't know, I think I'm gonna keep this one. I never purchased it, but since I got it, I purchased it now, $42. But like I said, this, the Better Than Sex, the bronzer, the matte lipstick, and this cute bag, all for $42. The only thing with this is it's a mystery bag. It usually goes on sale right after Black Friday. So I'm not sure if they still have any left on their website. If they do, I will link it down below. If not, then that's just it. But these, like I said, every year I get one of these, and it's always, I want to say they go on Cyber Monday. So just in case you are interested in some of this for next year. But this is on sale. I mean, not on sale, it's on their website right now. I will link this down below. And if you get this, make sure you get yourself a body wash too. I'm telling you, oh, this smells so good. But okay, you guys, I just wanted to open these two packages for you real quick and share with you what I got. I was super excited to open them. So I hope you enjoyed this, and I'll talk to you real soon in another video. Bye.